Hey, how's everyone doing out there today? So I want to bring to you guys, I've done these before, these Oedro all-season floor mats for the Honda Accord. But I got another set here, and I'll be doing a giveaway on these in a little bit. But I just want to share with you, if you haven't seen these, they're great quality mat, guys, made out of nice texturized rubber. They're 3D, so they have a high lip on them, hold a lot of liquid if you spill it. Let me go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. As you can see here, you get the four mats. The front have the retaining clips, so they utilize this factory retaining clips, which is nice, so they don't slide around on you. A nice texture. It's hard to explain, between like a plastic and rubber, so they have a nice grip to them. Same thing on the back side here. They don't slide around. I've used these on my own car. I like to try different mats, as you guys know, but these are a really nice mat. I do like them a lot. And right now they're 15% off. If you use my promo code here, HondaJohn15, you'll get 15% off, and the link's below. So definitely check them out. Like I said, a great quality mat. They fit perfectly. They're molded. The edges, in my experience, don't curl in on you like I know some of the other ones do. Just a really nice mat that'll hold a lot of product. If you guys drink a lot of liquid in your car, these things will definitely protect your carpets. I do like them a lot. Let me go ahead and show you also as well, outside, what happens if you spill something on them. So here it is outside, guys. So to give you an idea, I'm just going to empty this whole bottle, the 16 ounces here, on this driver's mat. You get an idea how much it'll actually hold. So that's the whole entire bottle. As you can see, the lip is plenty high to hold it from damaging the carpet. Where the factory mats, they have like no lip on them, and it'll easily go underneath the mat. Now here you'll have the retaining clip inside, so it'll plug this area up right here. But as you can see, it holds a lot of material. Like I said, this is a whole entire bottle, so you could even drop, I don't know, if you have a huge cup of coffee, it would hold it. That's what I like about these. They do protect really well. If you guys do eat in your car, it's the best way to protect it. I've ran the OEM mats, and they look nice, I would say, but they don't protect. They have like no lip on them. So you drop a bottle like this, and it's going to run over the edge. Water's not so bad, but if it's anything else, it'll damage it. And then look at this. You just tip the mat up here. I just tip the mat to unload the water on it. And look how it like beads up. It's almost perfectly dry, and I didn't wipe it at all. I just emptied the water out. So the material is easy to clean too. All I did was lift it like that. This is all you got. It kind of beads up on you. A little cloth wipe, you're done. And the grooves in it make it really easy to clean too. Some of the mats have so many textures, it's hard to clean when you actually have to clean your car. These things just easily wipe it down, and it cleans right up. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, like I said, I did a review on these before. But if you haven't seen them, definitely check them out. And like I said, I'll be doing a giveaway on these ones in a little bit. So definitely keep checking back. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'll have more products coming out on a regular basis. Tips and tricks videos, all kinds of stuff for you guys. And like I said, I'm going to try to stay up on these giveaways to give everyone a chance as well. So like I said, definitely keep checking back. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.